How to create a bubble effect in Canva. Here are the list of elements we will be using in today's tutorial. Amazing view. I just typed that in and chose a photo that I like. The next one is this right here. Transparent water drop. And of course, the frame. It's a circle frame. I'm sure we are familiar with them, but that's exactly what you type in and you will get your circle frame. And these are the elements that we will be using in today's tutorial. The first thing we're going to do is start out with a blank page. The first element we're going to add is a circle. Okay? And then the next element we're going to add is the image that we're going to use. So we're going to pop it in. You can leave it like this, or you can double click on it and position it the way you want. Okay? Once you find a position that you like, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our transparent water drop. And we're going to drag it over. Be very careful that it does not jump into your frame. So one of the things that you could do to prevent that from happening is you go here, you go to your three dots, and you lock the position, which means nothing will jump in. See, it won't jump in. So then you put this over, and what you start doing is you start adjusting it to size. And it literally is that easy. Make sure that you have the little edges so you don't cut them off, and you just line it up over the photo. And that is how you get this beautiful water drop effect in Canva.